Hey guys, so this is part 2 of the giant thredup unboxing. I'm opening the box. Sorry for the noise. I hope you saw the first part. And let's see what we got here. So again, I'm Natalia from Mamatime and Mamatime Posh. Please find me on Instagram and join our little family there. Okay, so first item, look how cool. This one is from Intro, which I think is pretty cool brand. It's not that known, I don't think, at least it's not like super fancy, but I really like their pieces. I've been seeing them a lot on thredup outlet and thredup, and they have some cool things, like remind me of like Free People, very trendy items. And this is very cool. It is way darker than here. Let's see. Oh, it's like this. See that color, like dark, not so bright. It's of course for fall more, but I thought this was so cool. Oversized sweater. It's a size small, but it feels like maybe large. Very cool. Like a chunky knit. It's gonna be good for fall. Next item, we have this white House Black Market, which I not always pick up this brand, but I thought this piece was really pretty. Size small, but obviously it's very oversized. Loose and comfy. Little swing top with like pleated finish, and it has a slit in the back, so it's nice and cool. And it's a little sheer when where it's open, but you know, it's not like anywhere else. It's not sheer in front, it's lined, but just in the back where the slit is. So I thought this was really cool. Have to try it on, see what I will keep. Oh, this is one of my items that was returned back to me. I might still send it again, but maybe closer to fall. This is White House Black Market top with like a winter white with shimmer, and it has like a lower back with this little crystals in the back. So we'll see about that one. Oh, next item is this Talbot's cardigan sweater. I thought it was just so perfect now for spring, so I have to list it soon. Next item we have is Lori Goldstein, which this stuff always sells for me. This is pretty cool, like a tunic top, very soft, size medium, with those big pockets in the front, which is like totally her style of clothing. Next item, we have this pretty top. I don't know the brand. Sorry about that. That was my mailman. CC, I guess. Size medium top. I like that dusty pink color. Has to be steamed. Has little pockets here. Has cool studs. It's like loose, way oversized top. Thought it was pretty cool. Next one is mine. Nothing special. That was a free item that I got from a friend, and I was trying to sell there, but I think I'll be donating it now. Next item. Oh, that one is pretty cute. Ultra Flirt. I don't really know this brand, but I bought it because I like the style of it. I like this print, and it's like a cool, super stretchy, meaty length. And I actually am thinking about myself with this. It's cool little embroidery, and it's like microfiber, very comfy, pop over and go kind of dress, which, you know, I'm a busy mom, so that's the only style that I can wear. This is Veronica M. Sky, please. And this is cool little romper. That's pockets, tie waist, and it's kind of slightly off the shoulder. Size small. And again, all this stuff I got sitting on my couch, you know, so I didn't have to go sourcing for hours. Paper crane. And again, I not always pick up this brand, but I really like the style of it. There's this cool kind of tribal embroidery here and a sleeve. So I thought this was worth getting, and it has a little tassel tie in the neckline. And next item, I got this romper. It has no brand, but I thought it was pretty cute. If I don't sell it, then I'll keep it. It has a little lace, and it's lined underneath. It's slightly sheer, but not really major. It's a size small medium. Next item, oh, this is pretty. International Concepts, and this is this sweater, which the color block is always going to be popular, I think, and I always end up selling this kind of things. And this is good size because it's 1X, so I think this is really cool and stylish. Classic, never go out of style. Oh, next item I really liked. This is, how is this going? Oh, Black Label by Chicos. It's a size small medium, but really it's one size fits all. Look how cool this is. Like a poncho crop with this lace. You can see it, but it's very pretty knit. I thought it was very pretty. I would totally wear that. And next item, oh, this is Jumpsuit from the same brand as I had before, Veronica M. And it goes like this. Has a little pretty floral floral print, elasticated waist with a tie, and it has their logo on it. Full length, and they have like that jogger style, and they have pockets in the back. So I love, oh, and the sides too. So this is really cool for right now. Oh, this is my item that I cannot sell. Cabby size small little dress that is reversible. Is this, or like this kind of print. Pink. And next item is this cardigan with like a maroon red color. It looks so bright on here, it's crazy, but I thought it was pretty cool. I don't remember, it's Chicos, but it's very soft. I might keep it for me. And last is my boots that I have for sale, but I think it's just not season for it, so they didn't sell. I'll send them back when it gets a little cooler, you know, like end of summer. It's good time to start sending the fall items, so you'll be there like first when people start looking. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry for like looking to this camera or that kind, I don't know, I'm a little bit off today. Started with migraines, so now I'm feeling better. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Now it gives you a better idea what you can find on thredup outlet, and you can get really good deals. Like I said, I don't think I paid anything more than like $3 on all of my items, and you know, it came to my house without me leaving and being in stinky thrift store for hours, even though I love it. But you know, with COVID now, you gotta watch out. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and share. help me get found by more people. Thank you so much. Bye.